Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss how do we perform arithmetic operations on the given numbers by using signed 2's complement representation. Here we consider all the four cases, that is addition of positive numbers and subtraction of negative numbers. Before doing each and every operation in detail, first take the binary form of each number. First to plus 70. Before this, write down the powers. 2 power 7, 2 power 6, 2 power 5, 2 power 4, 2 3, 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. 70 is represented as 64 plus 4, 68 plus 2, 70. The remaining are zeros. This is the representation of 70. Next to plus 80. Plus 80 is equal to 64. After 64, how much we need? 64, we need remaining 16. So here this is 16, 0, 0, 0, 0 and clear. So the value here is 2 power 6 in the sense 64, 2 power 6, 2 power 4. That is the value is equal to 16. Now we are getting 80. This is the binary representation of 80. And parallelly takes 2's complement representation. That is minus 70. We already know the subtraction is performed by using addition with the 2's complement of the upper hand. So minus 70 takes the 2's complement. So what is the 2's complement? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 0. We already know. So keep all the trailing zeros and the first one, invert all the bits. 0, 111, 0, 11. Similarly, minus 80 is equal to keep all the trailing zeros and the first one and invert. Okay. My conversion is completed. Now do each and every operation. My case 1, plus 70 plus 80. Anyway, we know the answer. The answer is 150. Now check. First to plus 70. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. The 80 representation is 0, 1, 0, 1, 4 zeros. Do the addition operation. So 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So in this example, if there is no carry after doing the addition, the main important thing is you need to check overflow. How do you check the overflow? The overflow in the sense simply the carry into the MSB XOR operation with the carry out of MSB. The carry into the MSB XOR operation with the carry out of the MSB. If the result is equal to 1 in the sense there is a overflow. If the result is equal to 0 means no overflow. Now this is MSB bit. What is the carry into the MSB bit? 1. XOR operation with what is the carry out of the MSB? From this out we are not getting any carry, 0. So we are getting 1. Whenever we are getting a 1 means overflow. Overflow in the sense the result is not correct. Overflow in the sense the result is not at all correct. Okay, why? Why the result is not correct? So by doing the addition the answer is 150. So it is not possible to store 150 by using these 8 bits. So these 8 bits are not sufficient to store the value of 150. So even though we are getting the result is invalid. The result is invalid. This is case number 1. Now coming to case number 2. The case number 2 is minus 70 plus minus 80. Now do the same operation. Minus 70 in the sense 1 0 111 0 1 0. Minus 80 in the sense 1 0 11 4 zeros. Do the addition operation. So 0 1 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. After doing the addition, if any carry, so simply discard the carry. If any carry, simply discard the carry and check what is the overflow, whether overflow occurred or not. Whether overflow occur or not. Yes. If it is the value in the sense here internally happened 1, 0. Carry into the MSB is equal to 0. XOR operation. Carry out of MSB is equal to 1. The result is equal to 1. That means overflow. That is again we are getting the wrong answer. Or else we will check say simply. Now after doing this operation, what is the result? The result is 150. Positive or negative? The result is plus 150. But if you observe the MSB bit, MSB is equal to 1. What is mean? If MSB is equal to 1, that is a negative result. But we need positive. So it is invalid. Similarly, by doing operation, we are getting a negative value. But if you observe the MSB bit 0, that is a positive. That is we are getting invalid. You got the point? Whether it is a positive or negative, if do the same thing, if overflow occur, in the sense the result is invalid. Why? It is unable to fit in the 8 bits that is allocated. Now case 1 and case 2 are completed. Now move to case number 3. Case 3 is equal to plus 70 minus plus 80. So first to plus 70, 0. How we are represented? The minus operation is not at all possible. We are represented like this. Plus 70 plus minus 80. You got it? Both are same. So what is plus 70 value? 0, 1, 000, 110, minus 80, 10, 11, 4 zeros. Now do the addition. We are always doing the addition operation. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here if you observe carefully, there is no overflow. Carry into the MSB is equal to 0. Carry out of the MSB is equal to 0. In the case 3, we have no overflow. Only case 1 and case 2 contains overflow. Anyway, by keen observing, we are getting the answer. Here plus 150 is the answer. Here minus 150 is the answer. It crosses the range. But here plus 70 minus plus 80 means obviously the answer is minus 10. But here you are not getting minus 10. Simply, so the answer we are getting is a negative number. The MSB is also 1. That is also a negative result. That means my answer is right. But always remember the negative result is also stored in 2's complement form. This is the negative result. Now for that result, takes the 2's complement 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the answer. What is the decimal equivalent? Simply the decimal equivalent is 10 and then place a negative sign. So if the result is a negative, takes the 2's complement and add a minus. This is the answer. Now coming to the last step, that is case number 4. Minus 70 minus 80. How do you do this operation? Simply minus 70 minus plus 80. So calculate. What is minus 70? 10, 111, 010, plus 80 in the sense 0101, 4 zeros. So do the addition. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now observe 1. If any carry, discard the carry. Again check the overflow. What is carry into the MSB? Carry into the MSB is equal to 1. XOR operation. Carry out of the MSB is also 1. XOR of 1 and 1 is 0. Means Again, there is no overflow. Do you observe what is carry in into the MSB? At the last seventh position, if you are getting a carry, means that is carry into MSB. After doing the addition, at the last we are getting a carry, in the sense that is carry out of the MSB. If both are same, there is no overflow. If both are different, that is overflow. If anything carry is there, simply discard the carry. This is the result. So we already know minus 70 plus 80. The answer we are getting is plus 10. Anyway, 0 is the positive number. Understand the difference between these two. If the result is negative, to get the original answer, takes the 2's complement of the number and include a minus sign. If the result is already positive, no need to take directly 1010. The answer is 10. Clear? This is the way to perform arithmetic operations on any type of numbers with 2's complement. Okay, clear.